Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute lizard chameleon. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Today we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. In the picture of our lizard we see the head, eye, body, tongue, legs and tail. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, eye, body, tongue, legs and tail. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head and body. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle. Draw a long straight horizontal line. Then big curve that connect these ends. Then draw vertical line over here that divides this figure into a head and a body. Then we're gonna draw the eye, big circle over here. Then another circle inside the first. And two small circles for highlights. The first and the second. That's the way to go, you did it! And let's color big circle and leave those little circles white. Our lizard has roses in the cheeks. Draw oval near the eye. Then let's draw its legs. Use shapes on both sides. The first and the second. That's right. Keep it up. Now let's draw the tongue. We are gonna draw a spiral. I start over here, go left, curve around and stop. Then draw a little curve over here and draw the same spiral around and draw the same spiral to other direction next to the first. That's right, keep it trying. Now let's draw its tail. It looks like a tongue. We're gonna draw a spiral. I start over here, go right, curve around and stop. Then draw a little curve and draw the same spiral to other direction next to the first. That's the way! I like your spiral! Now let's add details. We will draw stripes on the body and tail. 6 vertical lines in the body. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 10 in the tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Getting better all the time. Keep it up. Now let's draw a twig on which the lizard sits. Draw a long horizontal line underneath its leg. Another horizontal line underneath this line. And on the right side, the same lines. Now let's add the leaves. Draw 5 ovals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, we did it! Good job! I like your chameleon! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. My chameleon's head and legs will be green. Body and tail will be colored in the colors of the rainbow. The first step is tracing. Then we will color inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Tracing again and coloring inside. The next leg, tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose pink for tone and blush. Tracing again and coloring inside. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing again and coloring. Tracing and coloring. I'll color the chameleon's body in rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, tracing again and coloring inside. Sometimes I color too fast, so if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. Light blue, dark blue, and purple or violet. And the same colors to tail. And I have same colors for the tail. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, purple or violet, and again red, orange, yellow, and green. Then I choose brown for this part of our drawing. Tracing again. Try to stay inside the lines. Then I coloring inside. Then I choose dark green for leaves. Tracing and coloring. Tracing and coloring. Tracing and coloring. Wow, you did awesome by coloring and drawing, chameleon! You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Also, you can check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. All links to social networks in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.